Want to fix NBA 2 K25 error code 0x887a0001? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back on the court. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 0x887a0001 usually indicates an issue with your graphics card, often related to outdated drivers or a DirectX problem. Now, the most crucial step is to update your graphics drivers. Download the latest game-ready drivers directly from NVIDIA or AMD's official website. Perform a clean installation using Display Driver Uninstaller DDU for NVIDIA or AMD Cleanup Utility for AMD to ensure no old files interfere. Next, ensure your DirectX is up to date. While Windows usually handles this, you can download the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft's site to check and install any missing components. You'll also want to lower your in-game graphics settings in NBA 2 K25. Reduce settings like resolution, texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can reduce the load on your GPU and prevent memory-related crashes. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, revert them to their default clock speeds. Overclocking can cause instability in demanding games. Also, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through Steam or the Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on NBA 2 K25 in your library and use the Verify or Repair option. This will fix any corrupted game files that might be causing the error. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more NBA 2 K25 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.